Yo guys, this is your artist Tolg and welcome to a new video. Today with a big and as always a special drawing. I got commissioned again with a great idea, this time from Cristian. He wanted me to draw Kefla, Janemba and Cooler final form on an A3 size paper in portrait mode. This was a lot of work guys, but also very fun. I think the final result is great, so let's check out the whole drawing process together and I will talk to you at the end again. Let's go!
watch on her hand. Remembers when she had everything. One day she will again. I heard the sound, saw the flashing light. What's the day turned into night? And through it all, we've been thrown in the fire. We've been lost in the flame, but we will rise from the ashes again. Our hearts have been broken. We've been burned by the flame, but we will rise from the ashes again. You will rise.
So guys, and that's the final drawing. I'm really happy with how it turned out. Everything turned out very clean and the coloring looks great. And Cristian is very happy with his drawing as well. I mixed Ohuhu markers and Arteza markers with my Copic Cho markers because I don't have every single color tone on the Copics. But you can find all the materials I am using in the description below. I will also upload this drawing as a real-time drawing video on my new YouTube channel called Tolg Art Real Time tomorrow at the same time. So subscribe to my new channel and don't miss any of my uploads. That's it guys, make sure to thumb up the video and let me know down below in the comments what you think of it. Email me for commissions or message me on Instagram. Thank you for watching and I see you tomorrow on my other channel. Until then, stay healthy, stay fit, be a good person, be you, and always remember, you are the designer of your own life.